Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Good afternoon, everyone. Here is Dr. Imran from Pakistan. Today we talk about vaginal discharge, leucorrhea. Vaginal discharge refer to clear or white fluid coming from vagina. Some amount of vaginal discharge is normal and function to keep vagina clean and help to lubricate vagina and fight the bad bacteria to prevent infection. Normal vaginal discharge should not be itchy. If itchy, then it indicates some infection or other reason that need to be investigated and treated. A suddenly increase in vaginal discharge, especially if it is occur along with change in color or when attended with bad smell, vagina pain, pelvic pain, and it could be arising from some medical reason for which investigation is need to rule out with cause followed by proper treatment. Depending on the cause behind the discharge, it can be attended with burning, vaginal pain, belly pain, pelvic pain, swelling, and redness. What is the cause of vaginal discharge? First is fungal or yeast infection in vagina, also called vaginal yeast infection. It causes symptoms like itching in the vagina, thick white vaginal discharge, burning when urinating or during intercourse, vaginal pain and redness with swelling of the vulva. Second, sexual transmitted infection, STIs, like gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is called by bacteria gonorrhea, while chlamydia, it caused by bacterial chlamydia, is third is pelvic inflammatory disease, PID. It referred to infection in the upper genital tract of female, including uterus, fallopian tubes, and ovaries, usually from sexually transmitted infections. Number four, bacterial vaginosis. This condition, when there appears an imbalance in the naturally present bacterial flora in the vagina, when the number of bad bacteria increase and good bacteria in the vagina decrease, then bacterial. Number fifth, an allergic reaction to chemical present in soap. So first homeopathic remedy which we are used for vaginal discharge with itching. Sepia is one of the top grade remedy for manage vaginal discharge with itching in cases needing it. The discharge may be the different colors in different women like yellow, green, or clear like water. The discharge is foul smelling and is more in volume after urinating. The discharge usually during the day. A very important symptoms is bearing down pain in the pelvic with the sensation as if the pelvic organs will come out of vagina. There is also an increased urge to urinate along with the above complaints, intense pain during also there. Pain is ovarian region is mainly of stitching type, which sometime is some cases ulcer in the vagina may be present. So we are use sepia in 6C, sepia in 12C, sepia in 24C, sepia in 30C, and sepia in 200C, and sepia in 1M, sepia in 10M, sepia in 50M, and sepia in CM according to the patient condition. Second remedy is cariazole along with burning in vagina. Cariazole is a highly suitable remedy when there is a vaginal discharge along with itching and burning in the vagina. Female needing this remedy also complain of itching between the thighs. Sharp pain may also be felt in the vagina. Vaginal pain is most marked while urinating. To use the remedy is intense bad smell coming from the discharge. The discharge is most cases is yellow which leaves stains on the cloth. The discharge get rose while standing and walking and gets better while sitting. Pain during intercourse can be an attending symptoms along with above indication. This remedy is highly suitable for so we are use cariazotum in 12C, cariazotum in 200C, cariazotum in 30C, and cariazotum in 200C, and cariazotum in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Netromure thick white vaginal discharge. Netromure is for thick white vaginal discharge. This remedy is effective in managing thick white vaginal discharge. Along with itching, the discharge is attended with excessive weakness in cases needing it, pain in the lower abdomen. Along with the discharge is rose at night to most of the cases. Burning is also felt in the vagina while passing urine. Burning also during quotation. Vagina is sore to touch. Netromure we are used in 3x, Netromure in 6x, Netromure in 12x, Netromure in 24x, Netromure in 30C, Netromure in 200C, Netromure in 1M, Netromure in 10M, Netromure in 50M according to the patient condition. Next and very important remedy is Merxol. Merxol for greenish discharge. Merxol is well indicated remedy for green discharge along with itching in the vagina. Itching lead to scratching. After scratching, burning sensation is felt in the vagina. Itching rosin while urinating. The discharge contains lumps of mucus in most cases. It may sometimes be blood stain in cases needing it. The discharge get rose at night. Sometimes throbbing is felt in the vagina. Swelling may appear in the small pimples may also be seen on the there is pain in the uterus. The nature of the pain may be stitching or itching type. We are use Merxol in 12C, Merxol in 200C, Merxol in 30C, Merxol in 200C, Merxol in 1M, Merxol in 10M, Merxol in 50M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is nitric acid. Nitric acid for brownish colored discharge. This remedy is highly recommended when brown vaginal discharge along with itching. The discharge may occur on the form of ropey mucus. It is foul smelling. The discharge follows down the legs like water itching in the vagina may be felt after. This remedy is prominent one for cases of gonorrhea with vaginal discharge and also vaginitis. Stitching pain is felt in cases requiring this remedy. Ulcers and cracks may appear on the along with soreness, pain on touching. The vulva may also be swelling beside burning and itching. We are use nitric acid in 6C, nitric acid in 12C, nitric acid in 24C, nitric acid in 30C, nitric acid in 200C, and nitric acid in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Calcarea car for discharge with itching and weakness. This remedy is considered when along with discharge and itching of the vagina. Weakness is also present. Itching gets rose in the evening in cases needing. Burning is also felt in the vagina. The discharge is rose during urination and also after exercise. The discharge is milky white in color. Inflammation, swelling, and soreness, pain on touch. We are use Calcarea carb in 3x, Calcarea carb in 6x, Calcarea carb in 12x, Calcarea carb in 30C, Calcarea carb in 200C, Calcarea carb in 1M according to the patient condition. Next remedy is alumina. Next remedy is alumina. Alumina for intense burning. This remedy is indicated when intense burning in the vagina attends discharge and itching. The discharge is transparent and profuse. The discharge runs down to the feet. Washing with cold water helps to relieve the complaint. The discharge is more during the day. There is swelling of the vagina. Ovaries may also be swollen along with pain with above symptoms. We are use alumina in 12C, alumina into 24C, alumina in 30C, alumina in 200C according to the patient condition. Next remedy is Helonias. Next remedy is Helonias. Along with heat, redness, swelling. Helonias is very useful remedy when there is itching in the vagina along with discharge with heat, redness, and swelling of genitals. Itching is very intense in nature. The discharge is colored and smells very foul. Lower back pain along with these symptoms. We are used this remedy in mother tongue in 1x, in 2x, in 3x, 3C, 6C, 12C, 24C, 30C, and 200C according to the patient condition. Next remedy is sulfur for itching rose while sitting. This remedy is suited for cases in which itching gets rose while sitting, burning sensation is felt, vagina is painful to touch, the discharge is yellow, discharge rosen at night, offensive smell from discharge, bearing down is felt in the cutting or pinching type of pain around the navel. We are use sulfur in 200C, sulfur in 30C, and sulfur in 200C according to the patient condition. Next, I want to talk some Next, I want to talk some single homeopathic remedies for vaginal discharge. Leucorrhea associated with diabetes, thick whitish discharge stains the irregular pain, snatty dark and clotted menstruation with backage rose by moment, better by rest. Remedy is Abruma Augusta 30C 3 times a day. Remedy is Abruma Augusta 30C 3 times a day. Discharge leaves yellow spot on clothes. Chelidonium 30C 3 times a day. Yellow discharge due to infection causing low baggage rose between periods. Cariazotum 200C 3 times a day. Like white of egg with sensation as if warm water was flowing. Borax 3x, borax 30C 3 times a day. Head remedy leucorrhea with baggage. Ova tosta 3x 3 times a day. Yellowish or greenish discharge with constipation, bearing down sensation as if everything will come out from vagina. CPR 200C 3 times a day. Milky, creamy, bland discharge, sometime with burning. In mild, tearful woman, loss of taste with dry mouth. Pulsatilla nigra 200C 3 times a day. Leucorrhea with burning, itching, and rawness rose at night. Merc salt 200C 3 times a day. Leucorrhea like milk with burning and itching of parts before and after menstruation. In little girls, feet cold and dump chilly patient. Calcarea car 200C 3 times a day. Rupee profuse transmitted discharge running down to heel with burning rose during daytime and after menstruation. Better by washing. Alumina 200C 3 times a day. In obese females, profuse discharge of white color with itching around constipation. Grey fighters 200C 3 times a day. Whitish, non-irritating discharge, menses late and snatty. Penicillinum 200C 3 times a day. Patient feels rose at night when there is a history of miscarriage. Sulphalinum 200C or sulphalinum 1 m every week, one dose. So biochemic remedies which help in vaginal discharge or vaginal infections. Calcarea phos 6x, Calimure 6x, and Natramure 6x. Now I want to share some protocols which we are use in our clinical practice. So first protocol is for leucorrhea with weakness. Leucorrhea with weakness. Cariazotum 30C, Borax 30C, and Kalicarb 30C. I repeat again. Cariazotum 30C, Borax 30C, and Kalicarb 30C mix together and use 3 times a day. Mix together and use 3 times a day. Second line protocol is pyrogenum 230C, arsenic album 30C, pyrogenum 30C, and arsenic album 30C mix together and use 3 times a day. Sulfur 30C and stannum met 30C mix together and use 3 times a day. And leucorrhea for teenage girls. Calcarea phos 30C, Calcarea phos 30C 3 times a day. Vaginal discharge with itching, sulfur 200C, pyrogenum 200C mix together. I repeat again, sulfur 200C and pyrogenum 200C mix together and use once a day, and arsenic album 30C 3 times a day. Arsenic album 30C 3 times a day. Vaginal discharge between the periods. Vaginal discharge between the periods. Coccolus indica 30C 3 times a day. Coccolus indica 30C 3 times a day. Vaginal discharge after periods. Vaginal discharge after periods. Spina 30C, Spina 30C 3 times a day. Vaginal discharge like milky vaginal discharge. Calimure 6x 3 times a day. Vaginal discharge with red blood. Vaginal discharge with red blood. China 30C 3 times a day. China 30C 3 times a day. Smelly vaginal discharge after or before periods and start nausea and vomiting. Smelly vaginal discharge before or after periods and nausea and vomiting start. Sanguinaria 200C 3 times a day. Sanguinaria 200C 3 times a day. For all type of vaginal discharge, Natrum carb 200C 3 times a day. Natrum carb 200C 3 times a day. This is all what I have. If anyone have a question about this topic, so I'm here to answer. Anyone have a question? So I want to say thanks to everyone. Next Sunday, same time, we meet again here with new topic. So God bless you all.
Thank you, Dr. Imran. We appreciate all you do.
Thank you. Always welcome.